In this video, I am going to show you how to add the profile picture to your Microsoft account on the office.com website. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website, and after that you should go to your home page by tapping on this home button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then go to the right side. At the top, click on this profile option and tap on my profile. Then you should wait a few seconds till it loads, and in the your info section, tap on the add a photo button. Tap on this circle and add the photo. Then you will be directed to your files where you need to select a photo, click on upload and tap on save. After adjusting to this circle, you can zoom in and out and then click on the save button to upload your profile picture. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.